Not too high.
Head hook.
Stay behind him. Stay behind him.
Pop your hips up. Head hunt.
There you go. Keep that wrist. Stay with it, Dominic. Stay with it. Come out. Get behind him. Get behind him. There you go. Stay with it. Sit back. Keep that. Keep that. Keep that. Spin. Spin.
Tripod.
Spin. Spin.
Finish it.
No, don't pull him over you. Don't pull him over you. Get out of that. Get out of that. Get out of that. Get out of that. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There you go.